Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to just tell you that I got every pet from the Aussie egg, which includes the kangaroo. I have the turtle, which is fly ride because I had to. I have the ride koala, not koala. I do have a ride koala, but I have a full-grown ride frog. I have a ride koala, whose name is Koala because I can. And that's Carrie Plays _ YouTube, just breaking into my thing. And I have this, oh come on, now you need, I have an Australian Kelpie. I have a bunch of emus. I have a lot of dingoes because who doesn't? I have a lot of bandicoots. But yeah, if you want to come offer for anything in my inventory, I'm going to be on most of the day, because I just am. So you can offer for, like, anything but this, and my neon snow cat, and my shadow, and all the ride pets and stuff, but I am trading this. And that's about it. Bye.